Former President of India and Bharat Ratna awardee Pranab Mukherjee passed away at the age of 84 after battling a long illness. The veteran leader breathed his last at Army Hospital in New Delhi on Monday evening. His son Abhijit Mukherjee took to Twitter and made the announcement. Nation is mourning the loss of the seasoned statesman. Pranab Mukherjee served as the 13th President of India from 2012 to 2017. President Ramnath Kovind, Vice President M. Venkaiah Naidu and Prime Minister Narendra Modi have expressed grief over the demise of the veteran leader. Japan has committed an official development assistance loan of 3,500 crore rupees for the COVID-19 crisis emergency response support. The notes were exchanged between the Additional Secretary in the Department of Economic Affairs Dr. C.S. Mohapatra and Ambassador of Japan to India Suzuki Satoshi for a health sector program loan to fight the COVID-19 crisis. Subsequent to the exchange of notes, loan agreement for the program loan was signed between Dr. Mohapatra and Chief Representative of GICA in New Delhi. The guidelines issued by the government for Unlock 4 has come into force today. It will remain in force till September 30. The Home Ministry on Saturday issued new guidelines for opening up of more activities in areas outside the containment zones as a part of Unlock 4. According to the guidelines, metro services across the country will resume from September 7, while schools and colleges will remain shut. The centre has also allowed religious, political, social and sports congregations with 100 people to take place from September 21 with the mandatory wearing of face masks and social distancing. International air travel, except as permitted by the government, will remain suspended. Monsoon session of Parliament will begin from 14th of this month and continue till October 1. A notification issued by Lok Sabha Secretariat said that President Ramnath Kovind has called the lower house of Parliament to meet on Monday, 14 September at 9 am. Rajya Sabha will also meet at a different time on the same day as it has been decided to stagger the sitting of the two houses due to the COVID-19 guidelines. The CBI questioned actress Rhea Chakrabarti and her brother Shoaib for more than 8 hours on Monday in connection with the Sushant Singh Rajput death case. This was the fourth straight day of questioning of the 28-year-old actress accused of abetting the suicide of Rajput, who was found hanging in his flat in suburban Bandra on June 14. The actress and her brother were questioned at the DRDO guest house in suburban Kalina, where the probe team of the Central Bureau of Investigation is stationed. The COVID-19 recovery rate has further improved and now it has reached 76.94%. In the last 24 hours, 65,081 COVID patients have recovered and were discharged from the hospital. The Health Ministry said the total number of recoveries has reached over 28,39,882. It said the constantly increasing recoveries have ensured that the actual caseload of the country has reduced and currently comprises only 21.29% of the total positive cases. It said effective implementation of center's strategic and graded test, track and treat approach has led to higher recoveries and lower fatality. The United States is eager to help India become a world power which contributes to net security, a top American diplomat has said, indicating the President Donald Trump-led administration's willingness to support New Delhi with the best-in-class defense capabilities. U.S. Deputy Secretary of State Stephen Biegun made the comments at the third India-US Leadership Summit organized virtually by the US-India Strategic and Partnership Forum on Monday.